Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm here today with a quick unboxing and first impressions of this Saint Laurent piece. I ordered this on essence.com. Didn't order it directly from Saint Laurent because I live in Canada, and from my understanding, all the Canadian orders from Saint Laurent are shipped out from the States. And because of COVID-19, I was scared that it might be delayed because of customs and whatnot, because I know they're a bit backed up since I work at the airport. So I did decide to order it through Essence, which is a Canadian company based in Montreal. And yeah, I live in the Greater Toronto area, as mentioned before, and I got it within 6 days of me placing the order, so that was nice. But yeah, so when you order through Essence, you have the SKU from them and then the SKU from Saint Laurent Direct. And yeah, so without further ado, let's begin. When you open it up, you have your dust bag, your authenticity booklet with all the little cards in there, and the dust bag. Let's move this out of the way. And so, as you can tell by the title, I did order the YSL Becky wallet on chain. Look at this beauty. So yeah, this is the Becky wallet on chain. Sorry guys, my camera died, but yeah, this is the beauty and her full glory. Again, this is the Becky wallet on chain. It's in the quilted lambskin leather. I got in the color black with the aged gold hardware. It is double chained, so you can actually wear this as a shoulder bag, which I love. It has the 2 leather straps at the top, so you can hold it on your shoulder in comfort. The chain is not detachable, which for me personally isn't a big deal, but that's something to consider. What I noticed is, and what I liked, is that the hooks for the chains are on the side here, so it won't actually drag on the leather and kind of stretch it out from here, which I love. If you open it up, you can see what I mean. So this part is actually sewn there, and over time I've seen people's purses when the strap is constantly, or the chain is constantly dragging along here, it starts to stretch the leather. So I like that they did that to preserve the structure. It is a magnetic closure, which for some reason I struggle with. I thought it was supposed to make your life easier, but go figure. And yeah, first impressions, I fell in love with it when I opened it. I think the leather is so beautiful. It's so soft. It seems like it is very durable, but it is absolutely beautiful. It has a bit of like an iridescence to it, which I love. I think this camera will pick that up, but yeah, it's so pretty. When I was looking for this purse online, I couldn't find a lot of reviews, so I was kind of scared to kind of make this purchase, because I love to watch like 100 reviews before I buy something. But I'm so happy I bought it, and if anyone out there is hesitant and wasn't sure whether or not to buy this bag because of the lack of reviews, hopefully this changes your mind and you go for it, because I have no regrets. So just opening it up. So on the, let me just show you the sides actually. No back pocket. Again, not a big deal for me, but something to consider. So on the inside, it has 20 card slots, so 10 on each side, which I personally, I don't think I'll ever use all 20, but again, it is a wallet on chain, so it does serve that purpose if you need it to. Behind the card slots, there is some space as well. So in general, there are 3 compartments, 2 on the side, and this main middle zipper one. Honestly, just by touching it, I know I just got it, but it seems like this purse has a lot of give. It's very durable and flexible, for lack of a better term. I think I can actually fit a lot of stuff in here just because of the flexibility of the leather. Of course, I don't want to overstuff it. I want to preserve the structure of it because it's so beautiful and I want to keep it for years. But yeah, in case anyone likes to stuff their bag, which I do sometimes, I do think that you can actually put a lot in here. So we're going to test that out. I have some items here that I usually take with me on a daily basis. I'm actually recording on my phone right now, but my phone would definitely go in here, obviously. So I have a few of my items. I bought 2 little cards. If you live in the Greater Toronto area, chat time, love my bubble tea. just putting these in there so you kind of have an idea of how it looks. And my Timmy's card, because you can't be a Canadian with that one. So that's how that would look. So I have my Lancome foundation powder that I would pop in there. Gum that I would put in. I don't have my phone, so I got another powder. Of course, it's not the same dimensions at all, but I just bought it just so I can kind of see how much I can actually fit in here. But when I did test it out earlier with my phone, it fit in just fine. Alongside all these things, I have some coins. I'm just going to pop into this zipper pocket. Don't have my car keys, but I got my little, this is like a security thing for work. When you're signing in, it generates a code, but I'm going to put that in there. Just kind of mimic it. I have a perfume. Pop that in there. I have 2 lipsticks. I'm probably going to put these, let's see how it looks so far. I think I want to put the lipsticks in the back, so I have this Chanel one and then this lip balm from YSL. Hand sanitizer, because we all need to be sanitizing our hands out here. And Advil, just because allergy season is coming up and I'm going to start sneezing all over the place. So, yeah, there we go. That's usually what I'm carrying with me on a day-to-day basis. I'd probably put like another lip liner in there. But yeah, that's how it looks with all those things inside. And there is more room for me to put my phone in. And this zipper pocket is still completely empty besides those coins. So yeah, that's how it looks again. Let's try closing it up. Okay, so it closed. I love the leather. I keep touching it. But yeah, that's how it looks on the sides with it closed. Which looks pretty good, to be honest. Doesn't feel too heavy. This chain has a good amount of weight to it, by the way. But yeah, so with all those things inside, it looks good. It looks like it's going to retain the structure well, hopefully. And again, I probably wouldn't be putting, or maybe, depending on the day, it would vary about how much items I put in here. But I probably wouldn't stuff it more than this, besides putting my phone in here. But again, like it's doing a pretty good job on maximizing that space because of this leather. I love this leather. So that was my brief and basic video on this. There was a lack of reviews on this on YouTube, so I thought I'd quickly post this in case people were wondering and kind of making up their mind on whether or not to buy it. If you are wondering if you're making that purchase, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait until the lockdown ends here in Ontario and we can finally start going outside. I can rock this baby because I think she is absolutely beautiful and I'm in love. To make that short and simple. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful. If you guys want, I will perhaps post another video on kind of like the wear of it in a few months, just to see how it's holding up. Because I think I will be using this not as an everyday bag, but I'm going to be using it as a wallet on chain. So the days when I'm wearing a bit of a cuter outfit, I will put this on. Let's see. Let me kind of empty this out and see how it would look with the chain inside. Okay, so it's all empty besides the coins and the cards, not a big deal. So it pops in fairly easily. But yeah, it went in pretty easily. So I suppose you could wear this as a clutch. I don't think I'll be wearing it as a clutch. I'll most likely be wearing it on my shoulder, just because I think it's going to look super cute. especially with the double chain and the leather straps. Like, how could you not? But yeah, so either that or crossbody, not necessarily as a clutch. If I ever do, then I guess I can mention it in the next video when I do the durability update. But yeah, again, if you guys are looking to make this purchase on this specific wallet chain, I would say go for it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to wear it out, and yeah, hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any more questions, and I'd love to answer them. So take care, guys. Bye.